The especially current exchanging volume of torrential slide explicitly sort of is at $359,330,050, which especially fundamentally is genuinely critical, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Avax United States dollar medium-term support truly remained at $13.68 in an especially large manner in a huge way. Torrential slides EM810 essentially shows a vertical pattern, which especially for the most part is very critical in a significant manner. 30 November 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for pretty certainly 1 week from now, and certainly sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, generally got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what fundamentally is transient cost expectation for torrential slide, explicitly is Avax a reasonably kind of wise speculation. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so forth in a significant manner, which by and large is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging especially profound into the Avax specialized examination, really let us explicitly certainly discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in a sort of enormous manner, or so they thought. Market examination over the very absolute last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,422,755,320,117 in a quite significant manner. The in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $43,447,319,572 in an especially huge way. Bitcoin shares 51.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, showing how the by and large current exchanging volume of torrential slide certainly is at $359,330,050 in a genuinely beautiful significant manner. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07% in an outrageously huge manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large, basically has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking in a sort of significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span in a by and large for the most part significant way. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, certainly is somewhere around 0.56 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents, exhibiting how torrential slides EM810 by and large sort of shows a vertical pattern in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. Moreover, Solana came to $59.77 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.17% in esteem in a very significant way, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market especially is going in an especially descending bearing for in every practical sense, kind of momentary in a by and large enormous manner in an especially huge manner. As of now, a sort of broad regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of generally distinguish in every practical sense, essentially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%. Showing how the especially current exchanging volume of torrential slide especially is at $359,330,050, or so they sort of thought. Support in every practical sense basically is a level at which purchasers for the most part in a real sense become sort of more extremely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any very truly further in a quite large manner, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which merchants explicitly generally move extremely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving in every practical sense higher in an unobtrusive way. Following explicitly by and large are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The especially current torrential slide cost especially is $21.08, with an exchanging volume of $359,330,050 in the essentially beyond 24 hours. Extremely further appearance how these occasions sort of show that the market fundamentally is going in a descending course for transient in an exceptionally kind of huge manner and an unobtrusive manner. Right now, Avax is up by 0.43% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $7,698,103,506 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner in a really significant way. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost investigation for 30 November 2023. Inside an all things considered, everyday time period, sort of made sense of underneath, which generally in a real sense is genuinely critical. We utilize pretty relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of genuinely straightforward moving really normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the torrential slide. Pretty most certainly further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time period, which essentially is very critical. While Avax's Williams %R pointer most certainly is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange genuinely signal for the most part in a real sense is pretty certainly conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense sort of shows that Avax cost streaks, indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, or so they especially thought. Especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Avax United States dollar moving especially normal combination and disparity MACD marker basically is showing a genuinely present moment, certainly for the most part sell commonly kind of sign, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath truly lovely sign line which really implies in a real sense by and large bears basically are overwhelming in the market in a sort of huge way. The truly relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Avax coin by and large in every practical sense is in oversold stage, as RSI by and large is at 29. Showing how the Avax United States dollar moving commonly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, marker basically for the most part is showing an especially present moment by and large, for the most part sell commonly signal, as the MACD line especially is moving beneath essentially beautiful sign line which in every practical sense implies by and large bears especially are ruling in the market in a very significant way, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Ends there especially by and large had been a very sure pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin will basically proceed with it, vertical development, as lengthy as it most certainly stays in the sort of green region, exhibiting how we utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal combination and